equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 05849. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The brush motor in your Conga 05849 may start to malfunction, leading to poor cleaning performance. This issue often arises from wear and tear or blockages, and if left unaddressed, it can result in further damage to the device. To repair this, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, and some cleaning cloths. First, ensure the device is unplugged for safety. Carefully open the casing by removing the screws located at the back. Once the casing is off, locate the brush motor, which is typically situated near the bottom of the device. You may need to disconnect a few cables to access it fully. Gently remove the failing motor by unscrewing it and using the tweezers to disconnect any attached wires. When replacing it, ensure you use the correct screws and apply moderate force to avoid stripping them. Be cautious of nearby components to prevent any damage during this process. After replacing the motor, reassemble the device by reversing the steps, ensuring all screws are tightened and cables are securely connected. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the brush and check for any debris that may obstruct the motor. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.